Hey there guys, Artistic Nick here, thanks for the click. In today's drawing video, I'm going to be drawing some anime eyes using Copic markers and Caran D'ache luminance pencils. This is what I would call a half request video. I was having a conversation with Izuki-chan over on Instagram a few days ago, and Izuki was showing me some anime drawings that he really liked the look of, and he showed me something very similar to this, and I took the challenge up and said I'd give it a go. So Izuki, I hope you like this. I know you've joined me over on Instagram Live recently this week and seen the process that I've been going through. So this is the full video. I'm going to go through what I use and how I've used them. So to start the drawing off, I freehanded this in using my Caran D'ache 2H pencil, and then I went over the outlines with a permanent fine line marker. For the majority of the colouring, I used my Copic markers, and then I've actually used some different coloured pencils for this. I actually purchased some Caran D'ache luminance coloured pencils that I thought I would give a try. I really like the way they went down. They're quite different to the Prismacolor pencils. So for the main colours for the first character, I used a crimson red for the hair and a cool grey 1. For the skin tone, I used a milky white, and then I used the Caran D'ache luminance pencils. I went through the skin tones that I have, so I'm using burnt ochres, I'm using sienna browns and other flesh tones, just to try and give a slightly more realistic look. It's not so easy to blend with the Copic markers and get a gradation of colours that you would want if you wanted something to look slightly more realistic. I know there's some artists out there that are fantastic at this, but I've decided to go with the coloured pencils, and I'm really quite happy with how it turned out. So I've got a little bit of a challenge for you guys out there. Who's the first of you that can name all 4 of these characters in the comments down below? Let me know in the comments, who are all 4 of these? Can you get them all correct? First one's quite a famous anime character. The other 3 maybe not quite so well known, so let me know down below in the comments. Don't forget to get a hold of me on social media. The links to all of my platforms are down below in the descriptions. It'd be great to hear what you think about this video and the channel in general. Is there something you'd like me to draw? Is there a tutorial you'd like me to do? Like I said, I'm currently doing some Instagram live videos, so don't forget to add me on Instagram, and I'll be doing some tutorials maybe a couple of times a week on just some basics of how to draw and some fundamentals. I did one last night that went really well, so thank you if you were on there with me. I've had some great comments and some great questions. This drawing's almost complete now. We're just going to have a look at the final shot of the finished drawing. I hope you like this, Izuki. I hope it met your expectations. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn the notifications icon on, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day. Hit subscribe, smack the notifications button, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.